Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, just like this kind of video is just a bit different from what I normally do, which is the unboxing. In this video, I just want to let you know joining the conference, the one of the biggest teaching conference in Southeast Asia. This one is CAM hosting in Cambodia, and yes, over here. And I'm great to be invited to be the featured speaker. And during my presentations, I talked about 8 AI tools that I use in order to help me to prepare engaging slides presentations, so that I can save a lot of time and energy when making slides presentations for my class. So yeah, I can't wait to share with you guys as well. Despite the fact that it's not about unboxings, what I normally do, but it's kind of AI, tag related to the contents of my channel. So I'm thinking of making 8 different videos talking about each AI platform that I use in order to make engaging slides presentations, not only to engage the students, but also to make it look as much professional as possible. Yeah, just a spoiler as well, one of the tools that I use to make slides presentations is ChatGPT. But during my presentations, I actually share this core principles, that you have to use in order to get the result from ChatGPT. Yeah, as close as what you want, because from what I know, teachers are struggling with the outcome from ChatGPT, and some of them give up, end up not using it anymore, to help them in preparing slides or materials. But during my presentation, I share actually 4 core principles that you need to understand in order to make the ChatGPT understand what you want. Otherwise, you will get generic response. So yeah, can't wait to share with you each of the tools that I use and 8 tools that I share during the presentations as well. Okay, hope to see you guys in the next video.